Hold your charging cables. Folks, Enshi Grand Canyon just hosted the wildest robo-showdown of the year. Picture this: jagged cliffs, misty valleys, and a pack of hyperactive machine dogs zipping through obstacle courses like metallic cheetahs. This wasn't your average tech expo. It was Robot Dog Fight Club, Extreme Edition. And here's Doggy Number for doing final pre-race drills. Whoops. Looks like the slopes of Enshi Grand Canyon are no joke for our metallic pups. Let's hope our buddy didn't get hurt. They're off. Both bots charge down the track, wobbling like toddlers on caffeine. Doggy number 3 handles the first 2 obstacles smoothly. Oh, lightning fast ramp climb, textbook execution. Adjusting the angle, yes, that's the sweet spot. It navigates the cone weave like a pro. Wait, is it? Calculating. Revving its motors, and jump, boom. Cleanest hurdle clearance all day. Give it up for Doggy 3. New competitors enter the arena. Holy motor oil, this matchup is savage. They're kicking up dust and sparks like a robot rodeo. Doggy number 5 executes a razor-sharp inside lane overtake genius move. My guy. That speed. Border collie level agility. Folks, another flawless jump. Are we watching bots or Olympic gymnasts? Let's hear it for number for everyone. Catch the reruns, start the hashtag Robo-Rumble Madness, and pray this becomes an annual tradition. Because honestly, the world needs more machine dogs.